Alright, well, I wanted to do a quick update video. I know it's not been a significant amount of time since the last one, but I got the track glued down from the mill site over through East Quincy to the runaround, except for the main line, which, if you recall in my last video, I'm going to add another switch right here, another left-hand switch that'll lead off to another track that'll dead end at the backdrop here. So I'm waiting for those components to come in so I can finish the track here. And of course there'll be another track, spur track, that comes off here, and that'll lead down to right about just into the curve and a little dead end. So that's what I'm waiting on to finish the track. The track I do have installed, I've painted the rail tie brown color, the old Model Master paint, airbrushed it, and got it wired up for DCC. So everything is functional that I've laid down so far. I got the 5 together. The number 5 has ESU Loc sound. Unfortunately, I don't have a Loc programmer, so until I can take it to a friend's house to get the 567 file put on it, it really only functions as a mobile decoder for the moment. But it's all buttoned up, got the shell on, the lights work, and it runs, so I'm happy about that. It runs relatively smoothly, which I'm happy about. This is the latest run of the Walthers SW1200, so it has the most up-to-date drive. I'm very happy with how it turned out. There's still a few things that I got to put on it, like the brake pipe and the cut levers, which I'll hopefully be making in the next week or so. But it's really starting to look like the Quincy Railroad with the locomotive now on it and all the center beams and everything. And then of course the engine house, which you saw in the last video, I'm going to still paint that. I need to put the door on it, and I think it's a darker blue in real life, so I'm going to paint that. So here we got the 3 empty center beams coming into the loading track, which is the capacity on this layout. In the real loading track, it's 4 center beams at a time, but because I had to compress, this is 3 center beams will be loaded at a time. Down here, this is going to be mounted in the fascia. It's a toggle switch to turn on and off the track power within the engine house. So when I have the second locomotive sitting in there, when I power up the layout, it won't automatically start up, so it'll just sit in there dead unless I need to move it in and out, and then I can turn on the track power. Anyway, thanks for watching. I know this is a short one, and I don't know when I'll get the next one out, but thanks for watching.